Strive for self-realization, for in it lies the path to success and contentment. Your potential is boundless. Awaken your inner strength to conquer any challenge. Don't be confined by your past. Let your dreams pave the way to a brighter future. Let the fire of your ambition burn brighter than any obstacle in your way. In the journey of life, become the master of your own destiny. Seize the day, for each moment is an opportunity for growth. Reside in the realm of possibilities, where your imagination shapes your reality. Believe in yourself, for faith is the cornerstone of achievement. Turn your dreams into a guiding star, and let them light your way. The strength to transform the world lies within you. Recognize it, harness it. Struggles and setbacks are but stepping stones on the path to greatness. In unity, there is strength. Work together to achieve greatness. Your character defines your destiny. Build it wisely. Elevate your spirit, and you will rise above the ordinary. Endure challenges with grace, for they forge your character. Dare to question, dare to dream, and dare to bring your dreams to life. The soul's journey is an adventure, embrace it with enthusiasm. See the beauty and diversity, for it enriches the human experience. Ignite your passion, and let it fuel your purpose. Knowledge is the key to unlocking the doors of opportunity. Be a visionary. See the potential in the present and the possibilities of the future. Empower yourself, for true strength comes from within. The road to success is paved with determination and resilience. Believe in the power of love, for it can heal and unite. Awaken the poet within you, for poetry is the language of the heart. Kindness and compassion are the bridges that connect humanity. Be a beacon of hope, even in the darkest of times. Your choices shape your destiny. Make them with wisdom. In self-discovery, you find the treasure of your true self. Embrace change, for it is the essence of growth and progress.